Good morning, my lovely students. How you all are? Today, again, I will explain your chapter time. Before learning more question, we have to learn some important points. So come and learn with me. 1 year is equal to 12 months. 1 month is equal to 30 or 31 days. I will tell you how you count 30 and 31 days also. Okay. Now, third point is 1 day is equal to 24 hour. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 1 week is equal to 7 days. 1 month is equal to 4 weeks. 1 leap year is equal to. Do you know what is leap year? Leap year will come after 4 year. Every after 4 year. When leap year is there, then it means February will be of how many days? 29 days. When after every 4 year, our February will be of 29 days, it means we can say this year is leap year. And 1 year is equal to 365 days normally. Okay. But leap year is there after every 4 year. It means it is a leap year when February will be of 29 days. Now these points you have to learn. With the help of these points you can convert days into minute into seconds, week into hour. Clear? It will easy for you if you will learn these important points. Now next I will tell you about the full form of PM and AM. This is also very important. This can come in your exam. PM full form is post meridian and AM full form is anti meridian. This also you have to learn. Now come to the next point. First question I will tell you about related to this chapter. First question is convert into hour. So when these type of questions will come, first you have to see what question is asking. Here question is asking we have to convert into hour and question is 7 days. So you know very well here you have to convert days into hour. So first you know very well, as I have written 1 day is equal to how many hours? 24 hours. So you have to convert first 1 day. 1 day is equal to how many hours? 24 hours. So here is asking 7 days. So 7 days is equal to, we have to multiply by 24 by 7. So 24 multiply by 7. Now you can multiply directly, or if you don't know how you can multiply directly, so you can draw one margin, one rough line here, and you can simply multiply over there, and then you can write the answer. 7 fours are 28, 7 twos are 14, 15, 60. So what will be the answer? 168 what? Hours. Here you have to write hours. It is very important. If you will not write hour here, so your marks will be cut. Clear? Now as it is, I will explain you next question. Convert into seconds. Now how you will convert into second? Question is asking convert into second. And your question is 8 hours. If I will tell you, ask you, you have to convert 8 hour into second. So what you will do? First you have to convert 1 hour. 1 hour is equal to how many seconds? Directly you can also do. as I have written 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds, but it will difficult for you. So you can do it easy step by step. First you have to convert hour into minute. First step is we have to convert hour into minute. As you know, 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes. So first you have to convert 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 8 hour is equal to 60 multiply by 8. 8 zeros are 0. 8 6 are 48. So it is converted in hours. Sorry, it is converted in minutes. So first we have taken out minute. Now we have to convert minute into second. Minute came, but we have to find out the seconds. Now what we will do? 1 minute is equal to how many seconds? 60 seconds. Now we have 480 minutes. Now we have to convert 480 minutes into seconds. So we have to multiply 480 multiply by 60. Now again you can do multiply directly or you can do it here. So I will do here for your help. 0 0 0, because 0 multiply by any number then 0 will come. Now next 6 zeros are 0, 6 8s are 48, 6 4s are 24 and 4 32. 6 4s are 24 or 4 28. Sorry, I'll do it again. 480 multiply by 60. 0 0 0. 6 zeros are 0. 6 8s are 48. 6 4s are 24 and 28. So what will be the answer? 28,800 seconds. Clear? What will be the answer? Answer will be 28,800 seconds. Now next question I will explain you as it is. Next question is convert into days. Convert into days. Now question is asking we have to convert into days. Clear? So question is 4 weeks. So you know very well 1 week is equal to how many days? 7 days. Clear? So 4 weeks is equal to what we will do here? Again we will multiply by 7 into 4. 7 4s are 28. What will be the answer? 78 days. Clear? Now one more question I will tell you related to this. 8 months. Again we have to convert months into days. So how you will do? First we have to convert month into weeks. So 1 month, first step is 1 month. My first step is 1 month is equal to 4 weeks. Clear? 8 months is equal to, we will multiply by 8 multiply by 4. 8 4s are 32. Now weeks came. 32 weeks. Now we have to convert weeks into days. Clear? Because question is asking convert into days. So what we will do? My second step, first answer came, weeks came. Now what we will do? 1 week is equal to 7 days. Clear? And 32 weeks is equal to 32 multiply by 7. Now directly also you can do as I am doing. 7 2s are 14, 1 4, 7 3s are 21 plus 1 22. Now what answer will be? Answer will be 224 days. Clear? Now one more question I will explain you related this. 11 months 3 weeks. 11 months 3 weeks we have to convert into days again. Okay, so 1 month is equal to 4 weeks, first step. Okay, 1 month is equal to 4 weeks. So 11 months, we will multiply 11 by 4. Then what will come? 44 weeks. Clear? Now second step, weeks and weeks. 3 weeks here and 44 weeks came here. So first we will add these weeks. 44 plus 3 is equal to how many weeks will come? 44 plus 3 here will become 47 weeks. Clear? Now we have to convert into days. Now first 1 week is equal to how many days? 7 days. Now we have to convert 47 weeks into days. Then 47 multiply by 7. Now directly also you can do 7 sevens are 49, 7 fours are 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Now answer will be 329 days. Clear everyone? Now I think your all doubts are clear. Kindly go through the video, see full video, like, comment, share